everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to basically talk about what everyone's talking about, which is Louis Vuitton price increase, and tell you guys if it's actually even happening or not. I finally had a chance to talk to my SA about it, and I want to come on here and tell you guys what she told me. So this video is going to be pretty short and sweet and to the point. And just to back up a little bit, I think about a week or 2 weeks ago, news broke out that Louis Vuitton is going to be doing another price increase, and this time it is planning to do it in 2 parts. So the first part being on August 15th and the second being on September 15th. And we were told that this time the price increase is going to be about anywhere from 10% to all the way to 25% on pretty much all the canvas items. And they're gonna do certain items in the first part and then certain others in the second part. Now 25% is a huge increase. Even 10% is quite a bit, especially considering how expensive some of the items are. So a lot of people started panic buying, including myself. So spoiler alert, I may or may not have picked up a few things myself, and I'm going to be doing a series of unboxing in the next few weeks. So definitely subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. But basically, that's kind of the backstory. And obviously today is after August 15th. So the first part of price increase that everybody was saying was going to happen did not happen. And I guess I was happily surprised. I mean, obviously prices didn't go up, so that makes me happy, including everybody else. But then at the same time, you're also questioning whether the news of price increase is fake or if it's real. So a lot of theories were going around. Some people were saying how Louis Vuitton was trying to make people buy all these things by breaking out the news that the prices were going to increase just so that people would really buy things. And I don't know if that's entirely true, because I mean, a lot of the items are not available to be purchased anyways. If you go to the stores, the shelves are pretty much empty. The only thing you can buy is leather goods, and let's be real, their leather goods are not as popular as their canvas items, and everybody knew that the price increase was going to be on the canvas items. So that's kind of like one of the theories, and I honestly was very confused in my head. So I finally reached out to my SA and just asked her what was going on and if she had something to say. Now, mind you that your SA, or like my SA, your SA, anyone's SA, is probably not going to be able to give you like a full proof, like 100% guarantee, like, oh yeah, it is happening, it's not happening, because I feel like they're also legally bound to not release such information. So I don't blame them. There's only so much information that they can give. But basically what my essay said was that the price increases are not happening at this time. So when she says it this time, it could mean 2 things. So first thing being, it's not happening this month and it could happen next month, or it could mean that it's not happening at all for now and it's gonna happen sometime later this year. We don't know. But basically, I just want to come on here and let you guys know that the price increases are not happening for now. Now, having said that, I feel like a lot of things are changing at Louis Vuitton. I feel like they're taking totally different directions in terms of like their business kind of like goals and ideas and stuff like that. They may be promoting more of their leather goods compared to the canvas items. They've already discontinued a lot of beautiful canvas items. I did a video on it recently. If you haven't checked it out, then check it out. I will leave a link to it up here, or up here, one of these places up here in the cards, as well as in the description box down below. So check it out, let me know what you guys think. But basically, I was saying that they are discontinuing a lot of their canvas items. I mean, they've already discontinued a lot of their canvas items, and they're going to continue to do so. So if there's any item, any handbag, SLG, anything that you have on your list that you're trying to get, then I feel like I want to tell you that this is the time. You may want to get your hands on it as soon as you can, because things are definitely changing. And especially here in Massachusetts, like the weekend, the August 15th weekend was tax-free weekend in Massachusetts. So I feel like everybody here was just going crazy. People were already trying to make use of the fact that it was tax-free weekend, people were trying to buy a lot of stuff. There was like huge lineup at the Louis Vuitton store. Nobody was given appointments because apparently they're not supposed to give appointments to anybody during like this tax-free weekend. So everything was already chaotic, and then on top of that, I feel like, especially as it relates to Louis Vuitton, the price increases and tax-free weekend and stuff like that, I think a lot of people were buying a lot of stuff, especially in Massachusetts. So that's kind of what was going on around where I live. But that's pretty much it. Like I promised, this video is going to be short and sweet. So that's it. That's all the news I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As usual, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Stay tuned for some more upcoming unboxings because I told you that I bought quite a few items recently. I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, bye.